First, top headlines. Stop hostility between communities, blame the government instead. Chief Minister N. Biren. Suspension of mobile internet service in Manipur for the past 18 days hits banking, government, non-government services instead. Curfew relaxed in Imphal from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. Class 12 examination results will be declared at 3 p.m. on 22nd May 2023, Kosam. And India observes National Anti-Terrorism Day on 21st May. Hello, welcome to ELITETV's 3 p.m. English News. I'm your host, Deemita. Before giving you the news, we requested to follow the SOP given by the government, wear face masks in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requested to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. The recently erupted communal violence between two communities is the fault of the government. Hence, instead of being hostile towards each other, the communities should place the responsibility on the government, stated Chief Minister N. Biren. He made a statement at the Old Secretariat, Ebobora, where he attended the National Anti-Terrorism Day, celebrated every year on 21st May as chief guest. The program was attended by Agriculture Minister T.H. Bishwajit, other ministers, government officials, police personnel and many other dignitaries. He further stated that National Anti-Terrorism Day is celebrated to commemorate the date of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi in a terror attack in 1991. He further stated that acts of terrorism will never bring any good to the society. Instead, we should try to bring progress. He said the recent communal clash is a result of stopping illegal immigrants and attempts to stop smuggling of drugs. He also stated that people who indulge in looting and destroying homes will be dealt with by law. People living in relief camps are being protected by the police. A plan will be arranged for the return of the people who have failed the state, and the government will bear all the costs. He further appealed to all communities to bring back peace, harmony and normalcy in the state like in the past.
Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji ki magi direct supervision makhada advisor ma Kuldeep Singh ji ma hana former DGP CRPF NIA security ki maramda magi experience to ikoi the advice or kanda state sida shanti hanjalangna ba koi atuki matik aing tumda sadana honari kanamta Pothana de Maramdi, Tokriba, Toning the Batogo, Amukana Makat, the Nava Haidana. Yamna Fazaba Nungaiba Pau, Mayama Sudanare, Sosan Purda, Kukigi, Silnau, Sina, Sinau, Mamaitation, Putoraga, Shepo in a police Sinare Haiba, Naran Hanmux Data, Quigi, Paunabazari, Hotel Lamada, Quigi Sinau, Kuki, Malayandana, Polisna, Poraga Mayama Sina, Sukumayamna. Humanity of a port Karai Quigi, Hanadigal report of Persia, Howry, Marks Honor soup, Mahak Penner of the soup. And the hyper Posipoi, Makatana, I capacity, Isa Sagu capacity the honor of the country. I should contact over Leptiv, Saunergas at Traversing out into a message haba, I think Moy message from the Moy and never me the cold Toba, Waris haba, I think Tampaki Lady Civil Society, Miami, so Irang Toba Matamnate, rally, play card, Zati, Mother Numai, the Wahiwata, Telaga Wangang, Matamnate. Yes, I could go in the time of you. aina appeal tawningi adudi any community evena pen da benungai table leba kanda government da ekhoi gi asoi ba ekhoi gi lapses thokriba thodok tumak ekhoi gi security lapses intelligence lapses leibagi ne ekhoi lawi aduna community khudimana ekhoi da taina biyo madugi responsibility ekhoi loge madugi daita.
On the other hand, TH Biswajit said that terrorism has only created loss in the lives of people and devastation. If we want peace and harmony at all times, the younger generation should be given good education. We must learn to forgive and forget the hurt and live peacefully.
Akoi punamaki khwaidagi maru obadi karino haibu matamda akoi punamaksina amatta oina punjalle harkanda terrorist ki mayokta leminaraga akoi gi lebaks अखोगी शांति पोरकनबगी अमतोइना लेमिनदुना अमदी मरुफुकना अखोई लेबाक्सदगी अखोई लेरिबा टेररिज्म हाइबसि मुथतपा अमदी वर्ल्डगी लुथपगा लोनना अखोनि ngasi हारिबा अखोगी एंटी टेररिज्म डे असिदा रिमाइंड तोगे हाइना अनि थमजगे अदुगा अखोई पुनमना ज्ञान तामिनरबा अफमनि मदुदी अखोगी लेरिबा टेररिज्म की लेरिबा एक्टिविटीज अचना अखोई मियोबगी लाइफ महमद नतना मियोबगी प्रॉपर्टी अदुगा लोनना अखोगी लेरिबा मियोबगी फ्रीडम दा अकाइबा मयाम पिहनबदु अखोना खंगरबा वाफमनी अदुगा लोनना अखोगी ngasi पांगथोकलिबा एंटी नेशनल एंटी टेररिज्म डे की मरोइबा सिग्निफिकेंस दी मशीना अखोई पुनमक मियाम पुनमक पृथ्वी की मियाम इंडिया दा नतना पृथ्वी मियाम पुनमक पीस की मेसेज संतोपा अदुगा लोनना अखोइना हाइरिबा अखोगी लेरिबा ngasi की सिग्निफिकेंट ती करिनो हाबदा अखोगी पीस मेंटेन तौबा ह्यूमैनिटी अदुगा हार्मोनी अदुगा यूनिटी अमंग द पीपल एंड अखोगी लेरिबा सोसाइटी दा अखोई ngasi लेरिबा मेंटेन तौदना थंबदुगी सिग्निफिकेंस तु अखोई मिट असिदा अखोइना फोंगतोई अदुगा लोनना अखोगी तोआन बा भारत सरकार की इंस्टीट्यूशन गवर्नमेंट की तरफ तगिसु अखोइना सिगुंबा टेरर ओइबा अखोई ग्रुप हाइबदि टेररिज्म पुनमक्सिंग स्टेट अखोई नहासिंगसी संगदनबा हाइदुना ट्रेनिंग अमदि एजुकेशन तौबगी अपॉर्चुनिटी सो हारिबा अखोगी नमित असिदा पीबद नतना अखोगी भारत के अमदि तोआन ऑफिस की अखोइना मसी पांगथोई हाइदुना अखोइना अखोई लेरिबा नहारन जिंगसिना अखोगी लेरिबा तोआन बा यामना तमथीबा टेररिस्ट की ग्रुप त यावदनबगी दमकता अखोइना पीरगा लाई.
Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Qasim has stated that the Class 12 examination results will be declared at 3 p.m. on 22nd May 2023. The Class 10 examination results will be delayed as teachers of ethnic language have been displaced as a result of the current receipt situation in the state, and hence result will be declared in the first week of June. Students aspiring to get admissions outside Manipur may contact the Ministry for help, stated Education Minister T.H. Bashantakumar. The statement was made at a press conference held at the Directorate of Information and Public Relations Conference Hall. He further stated that there are 4,747 students in relief camps, and Chief Minister Biren has assured to provide assistance to them. Students will be able to take admissions in nearby schools of their choice, and if traveling back and forth to school is a problem, they will have the option for distance learning, and all materials will be provided to them. To provide reliefs from the crisis and the trauma students have gone through, all school materials, uniforms and even some sports materials will be provided to them. They are also providing not just counseling sessions, but also attempts are being made to keep the academic routine in the relief camps. Intellectuals and teachers are providing voluntary service to teach the displaced students. To obtain admission in convenient schools, the Education as Director has asked DDOs to put in a written request.
Volunteer teachers in the department contact housing vacation or so. Volunteer teachers in the vacation or dedicate to you, which had to sing interest, like you request of the high the material within 2-3 days. The structure of the coaching type class, the whole normal life, the port number, and the minor education department. Once class 9 is about once class 11 chapter, because of certain one time exigency when hantati ekoi haiba transparent admission of displaced students e ekoi quite nakpa school da moina apam school da yarima ekoi admission donaba soida singeni hadam yam tamjari security su lei bus school sida aduna vacation ni tarik confirm of homi ekoi fazana ikut na examine toraga district officials in deputy commissioners in government ka tanaraga we karamain to school sessions and next sessions tarik amal hinga to sukar postpone toraga delay toraga arrangement nama silaga apne academic apne schedule se yaru ke vacation se to rodina apne health school wa de matham tanga dum lotana sathame yani syllabus soidana koi cover to ma ba ona jagani hems me ade thamjari aduna apne education department dagi apne label itna apne laiba department officials and Ozasing, we are dedicated about Apaba, Adumba, Ozasing, Luna, we can commissary.
Even as BDA personnel stationed at Phagakchao Ikai were engaged in a gunfight with suspected Kuki militants on the hill range located to the western side of Phagakchao Ikai, troops on 2nd Maha Regiment set off 3 bombs at around 2:30 p.m. yesterday. Troops of 2nd Maha Regiment stationed at Lokoipad, Bishnupur detected 3 bombs planted by suspected Kuki militants at Kolpung area of Churachandpur district. Subsequently, the troops set off the bombs safely. On the other hand, a gunfight ensued when Kuki militants opened fire towards BDF personnel station on the western hill range of Phagakchao Ikai at around 3:30 p.m. yesterday. Although the BDF personnel retaliated, there were no reports of any casualty. Curfew has been relaxed in Imphal from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. after normalcy has returned in Imphal. District Magistrate of Imphal East and West passed the order to relax the curfew from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. today. People rushed to market and nearby shops to buy essential items during the curfew relaxation. A 32-year-old man died while trying to demolish an abandoned house in Churachandpur's Khuzamba Maitailekai on Saturday when the house collapsed and fell on him. The person was identified as Mangkhan Siam Ngaite, son of late Nengkhang Thang of Lamzang village, Churachandpur district. According to sources, a large number of Kuki mob entered Khuzamba Maitailekai to demolish the remaining buildings. As the victim was trying to demolish a pillar of a severely damaged house, the building collapsed on him. He was evacuated to Churachandpur district but died due to multiple injuries. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pak na pangthokli. Wana hona jaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angam bathak ta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpok ta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba taujari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO School Channel Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational residential school located on a sprawling 50 acres campus just 24 km away from Imphal city. The school will be affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Academic session will begin on 1st April 2023 for classes 4 to 8. Registration commence and open for 2023 and 24 session.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's 3 p.m. English News. Khoirom Mairaba, a national wushu player from Ithaidam, lost his life in the recently erupted violent communal clash between two communities of Manipur. His body, which has been kept in the Rim's mortuary, was taken back to his residence by family members and his last rituals were performed. Several members of Arambai Tengol went with the family members and escorted his body back to his home in Ithaidam. Floral tributes were paid to the body of Mairaba, who had been an active member of Arambai Tengol, who gave his life for Manipur. Arambai Tengol shouted slogans to his aspirations and wishes and vowed to keep them alive.
Santi hoina layruna magidamang Mayaba Maitayna Mayaba Maitayna Maitay Imana Mayaba Maitayna Maitay Imana Manipur Imana Mayaba Maitayna Mayaba Maitay ke Tomo Mapari Maitay ke Tomo Mapari Maitay ke Tomo Mapari Kalli pa Imana Kalli pa Imana Kalli pa Imana
Union Public Service Commission has released an important notice for Manipur candidates regarding download of UPSC Civil Services Admit Card 2023. The details are available to candidates on the official site of UPSC at upsc.gov.in. As per the official website, candidates of the Civil Services Prelim Exam 2023 in Manipur may collect their e-admit cards from the respective district headquarters from May 22, 2023 in case they find difficulty in downloading the same. The distribution of the admit card at all district headquarters in Manipur will be done till May 27, 2023. The admit card is available on the official websites for download till May 28, 2023 till 4 p.m. The examinations will be conducted on May 28, 2023. To download the whole tickets, candidates can follow the steps given below. Visit the official website of UPSC at upsc.gov.in. Click on UPSC Civil Services Admit Card 2023 link available on the home page. Enter the login details and click on Submit. Your admit card will be displayed on the screen. Check the admit card and download it. Keep a hard copy of the same for further needed. For more related details, candidates can check the official site of UPSC. The suspension of mobile internet service in Manipur for the past 18 days has badly hit banking, government and non-government services in the state. The Manipur government suspended mobile internet on May 3rd after the state witnessed unprecedented ethnic violent clash in more than 10 districts during and after the Tribal Solidarity March called by the All Tribal Students Union of Manipur at Sum to oppose the demand for inclusions of Meitei community in the ST category. Manipur Congress spokesperson Ningombam Bhupen Meitei said in a tweet on Saturday, "Dear Prime Minister Narendra Modi, kindly lift internet ban in Manipur. Today is the 20th May. Since 3rd May, there has been an internet ban. I can't read your tweets nor Amit Shahji's tweets in today's digital India. When will the PMO ensure internet for all in Manipur?" Former Union Minister and Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh has said in a tweet earlier that banking, e-commerce, payments of e-bills, e-tickets, businesses, work from home, education and many other essential services have come to a grinding halt in Manipur. India observes National Anti-Terrorism Day on 21st May every year to commemorate the date of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. He was the youngest Prime Minister of India who came into power at 40. Gandhi, the sixth Prime Minister of India, was assassinated by a woman member of the Liberation Tigers of Tamil Ilam on 21st May 1991 at Sriperumbudur, a village near Madras. The VP Singh's government announced that 21st May would be observed as Anti-Terrorism Day. At 40, Rajiv Gandhi was the youngest Prime Minister of India, for no one could have ascended to power in more tragic and traumatic circumstances than Rajiv Gandhi did in the wake of his mother Indira Gandhi's brutal assassinations on 31st October 1984. However, it was the 21st May 1999 that the former Prime Minister was assassinated by an LTTE terrorist. It was a militant separatist group fighting for an independent homeland for Tamils in the northern and eastern provinces of Sri Lanka. Gandhi was killed during a rally in Sriperumbudur, Tamil Nadu. A bomber touched his feet and an explosion occurred that caused the death of Rajiv Gandhi. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Stop hostility between communities, blame the government instead, Chief Minister and Biren. Suspension of mobile internet service in Manipur for the past 18 days hits banking, government, non-government services in state. Curfew relaxed in Imphal from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. Class 12 examination results will be declared at 3 p.m. on 22nd May 2023, Qasim. And India observes National Anti-Terrorism Day on May 21st. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great day.